Come with me to Michael's and let's shop their mega clearance event. So the other day I went to Michael's, didn't even know their mega clearance event was happening, and pulled up and saw their 70% off signs everywhere. Was super excited. I took my 2 girls with me and they helped me do some shopping. There was so much there that was on sale. There were aisles and aisles full of summer and patriotic things. Now obviously you could buy stuff and decorate your home with it. You don't have to do any DIYing with these things. But I found some signs and some other things that I thought, you know, they weren't exactly my style, but I thought that they'd be perfect to DIY with, because you're getting this wooden sign and frame and for a fraction of the cost, and would make really good DIY items. I also found just their regular clearance section, which had a ton of stencils and the adhesive stencils, and I kind of went to town and got a whole bunch of them, but they were too good to pass up. They were half off, so not necessarily as good as the 70% off, but still pretty good if you are looking for some stencils. Hello everyone, if you guys are new, my name's Liz. For today's video, I'm going to share with you all the things that I picked up from Michael's on their mega clearance event, as well as just some clearance things that I found in the store too. So many goodies. I have 3 really full bags right here. I went a little crazy, but for the amount of stuff that I got and how much it cost, was pretty awesome. I was excited, and there's a bunch of stuff in here as well that I had thought about picking up just when it was on, you know, their normal sale. I think their summer stuff was probably about 30% off at one point, and I almost grabbed it at that point, and I didn't, and I'm so glad that I waited because I got them for super cheap. Also, my lighting's probably gonna go in and out because I'm just using natural lighting, and for some reason the sun is like shining really bright and then not, and then is, and then not. So just ignore it. Anyways, let's jump into some florals that I got. My girls had to pick out a couple of things, and I don't know if they've even noticed that they haven't gotten them back, but they picked out a couple little bouquets, and I thought that these would be really cute for some DIYs. They were originally $9.99, so these were $3 each. I also found a little greenery that was $7.99. I think this is really cute, and I love how kind of muted it is. It's not super green, but I just thought it was adorable. So this one was only $2.40, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Also, Michael's greenery and flowers, they're my favorite by far in any of the stores. I just like them the best. I find that they are more affordable for the quality that you're getting. So like, I know Hobby Lobby can be pretty expensive when it comes to florals, and you got to catch them at the right sale. But when Michael's florals are on sale, I feel like they are a really good deal, and I just really like the quality and all the colors and everything else that they do. Michael's is my favorite when it comes to florals and greenery. I also found this long greenery stem that has a bunch of different fun little greenery pieces on it. Can never have too much greenery. It's also $7.99, so $2.40. And I thought it was a steal. And then I also found these pretty flowers. I thought these were so much fun. They could transition into fall with the oranges. It was also $9.99, so $3 for this, and I thought they were really cute. They had a whole bunch of signs like this where it said clean and dry. It was kind of like the laundry type section. This one was $14.99, again, 70% off. So I got this for $4.50 for this big sign. I mean, it's a pretty big sign. A solid wood frame and wood, I think it's wood, background, and I just think it'd be fun to paint over this, to turn it into something else. And you know, like I said, if you like the stuff that's on there, perfect. You just got a sign for $4.50. If not, I can transform this into something that I like for a little over $4. I think it's a pretty good deal. Now, something that I'm not going to DIY with that I just found and loved, this was $14.99. It just says home. It's a home word, so about $4.50, and I just thought this was fun. Set it on a shelf, set it somewhere, but you can never have too many of, you know, the cursive cutout words. I just love it. I also found this wooden piece. This was $6.99, 70% off, so a little over $2 for this. And this is a pretty good size. It doesn't say the size, but I mean, it's pretty big. So for about $2, and you got this big wooden piece, you could keep this thing on there if you wanted. It kind of looks, no, I don't think it's attached to the top. Nope, not attached to the top. So if you wanted to cut this off, you could. You could fill that middle part with wood filler if you wanted, or just glue some greenery over the top of it so you can't even see the little hole right there. But I think for $2, this is a good deal. Now, a couple things that I bought that I don't know if I want to DIY them or if I want to keep them how they are. I think they're cute, but they're not 100% my style. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Would you keep it the way that this is, or would you DIY it? So I got this sign. It is a measurement equivalence with all, you know, the different measurements and all the things. It was $19.99. So I got it for $6, and it's a, I mean, this is a big sign for $6. Wooden sign, wooden back. They, like I said, I could paint over this and do something different over the top, turn it into something else. Let me know what you would do with it in the comments below. Another thing that I got that I don't know if I want to DIY or if I'm just going to keep it. I love the lemons and the bees, and I just think it's cute. It says the kitchen is the heart of the home, and it looks like this. Really cute. It was $12.99. So I paid around $4 for this, and I think it's really cute. It's got a really fun like texture to the front of it. But like I said, I don't know if this is something I want to DIY or if I just want to leave it. Let me know what you would do. Would you keep it the way that it is, or would you DIY it? I picked up this Let's Get Ready to Tumble. Again, it was kind of in their laundry section, or it wasn't kind of. It was in with all their like laundry decor. It was at $9.99, so I got this for about $3, and I like that it has the frame around it, and it's, you know, wood in the middle. So yeah, I think this is one that I'm going to DIY, do something different with, and we'll see what I come up with. And then I picked up 2 of these little signs. It just says berries, 25 cents. They were $3.99, so I got them for about $1.20-ish. I thought they were a good deal, and I thought that you could put them on a tiered tray. You could leave them like this. You could paint the middle. You could paint the entire thing, turn it into something different, and use it for tiered tray decor. Another find that I was super excited for, these lanterns. They had a whole bunch, and they had some with different colored lids. I want to say one was red, but this was $29.99 and 70% off. So I got this for about $9, which I thought was a steal. For a big lantern like this, you've got the glass all around it, and I think what I'm going to do, it's got little screws on the top, so I can take this part off, and I think I'm going to spray paint it so it matches my decor a little bit better. The blue is definitely cute for, you know, your 4th of July and patriotic type themes, so if you're looking for one for that season, you can keep it the way that it is, but I want it to kind of match my house a little bit better, so I'm going to spray paint it. I haven't decided if I'm just gonna spray paint it black and have it, you know, kind of match everything, or if I'm gonna do a different color that kind of goes better with my house. So anyways, this was one of my favorite finds. Okay, the next thing I got was this large sign, kind of more in the camping theme, but this was $20. I got it on sale. Obviously, I got all this on sale for 70% off. Besides the like actual clearance stuff. Anyways, got it for about $6. It's pretty big, and it is wood, and I thought that this would be really fun to paint over these and do something a little bit different with them and make it match my home decor a little bit more. But $6 for this large long sign that's wood. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to DIY with. Next thing is this wooden blank sign. This was $14.99, and so it's about $4-ish, and I thought this would be fun to do a little project with. I'm not quite sure what yet, but it was wood, and it was blank, and it was fairly large, and only $4, so picked it up. I was also really excited for this piece because this is one that I thought about picking up before they had their sale and before it was on sale. This big, large, round piece. Again, $14.99, so about $4 for this large piece. and it seems like it's coming apart a little bit at the bottom. Probably just take some glue and fix it. But anyways, I thought it would be fun to DIY with this. Do maybe like a stencil on the front or a transfer or something of that nature. But anyways, this big piece, $4, thought it was a good one. Another sign that I liked, I don't remember how much it was, and the tag's not on it anymore, but I want to say it was probably $14.99 or so. I'm guessing that it's similar priced to this one, which was this $14.99? Yeah, this was $14.99. I want to say that it was similar priced. So we're looking around $4 for this. I liked this because it has like the dual frame. I thought it would be fun to just turn this into something else, something to match my home decor a little better. And for a big sign like this for only $4, I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna pick it up and DIY with it. And then I ended up getting 2 of these. This is the Love is Love sign. I thought that you could use this. You could, if you didn't want the Love is Love on the front, you could take that off. My husband started taking them off on the other one, and it's doable. It's just kind of a lot of work, and you're gonna have to sand down quite a bit. Or you could just turn it over to the other side and you have a blank wood round. This was $4.99, so around $1.50. And like I said, if you can take off the words on the front, then you have yourself kind of like a shiplap background. And I would say that this is probably a good maybe 10-inch sign. So, and it's pretty thick as well, so I would say it's good quality for $1.50. I picked up 2 of them. And like I said, you could use it on the back, you could take off the words, use it on the front, don't take off the words, and just paint the words if you wanted. But anyways, I picked up 2 of those. And then that was all for the 70% off stuff. And then like I said, I picked up a whole bunch of stencils and adhesive stencils. They had a whole bunch of them on sale, so I grabbed a lot of them. They were all $5, so like this was originally $10. It was on sale for $5, and it says family. And I think that this one, yeah, this one is an adhesive one. So this is kind of essentially like CRICUT transfers, but I got it for $5. I also got one that says Farmhouse, and it has some farm animals on there. I also got this Home Sweet Home one. This one isn't an adhesive vinyl. This is just like a regular plastic stencil, but this one was fairly big, and it says Home Sweet Home. I also got this one that is an adhesive screen, and it says Gather, and it has a whole bunch of like little viney pieces, which I think is cute. Again, $5. I grabbed Mine Stencils. This was also $5, and it says Farm Fresh Eggs. And it has a whole bunch of like little farmy type stuff on there. This one isn't a silk screen. This is just like a regular plastic stencil. And then we've got this adhesive stencil that says home, and it says Home Sweet. Oh, it says welcome to our home and sweet let's stay. I'm assuming that's so that you can, you know, cut it apart and make it say Home Sweet Home if you wanted. Yeah, so I have that one. I also grabbed this one that is kind of more into like that summery feel. It's got bees, it's got different patterns and flowers, but I just thought that was fun, so I picked that one up. Again, $5. I grabbed this one. I like this one because of the pattern, right, that it has right there. It's got like a viney type pattern that I thought that was really fun, but it says family sweet, family bless our nest. Yeah, anyways, got that one. Grab this one. This one is kind of more like fall themed, and it's got pumpkins on it, but this is, it says adhesive laser cut stencil, so maybe the back is adhesive because it definitely feels more like plasticky and not like a silk screen. Anyways, this is what that one looks like. And that one's from Martha Stewart. And then I got this one that says welcome. It's just a big welcome word for $5. And then I got this Fresh Market Local Goods Farm to Table. So I got that. And then I got this last one that, yeah, it's again just like a bunch of farmy type stuff. So anyways, that is everything that I got from Michaels on my 70% off clearance, all just my regular clearance. I am going to sort these out, figure out what I want to DIY with and what I want to make, because I've got a lot of transfers and stencils to go on a lot of signs. So watch out for my next video. I'm going to do a whole Michaels video where I'm using these DIYs. Let me know which things that you guys would DIY with the signs, which ones you would keep just the same and use to decorate your house with. And that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Now to clean up this room. It is an absolute, it's a disaster. I can't, this is as much sitting room as I've got at the moment. It is pretty much a ginormous mess.